Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me. And on this video, we're going to be unboxing my second ever purchase from therealreal.com. I really had a good experience with my first purchase. I purchased this beautiful purse right here. My beautiful Rebecca Minkoff bag. If you guys missed that video, I'll go ahead and leave it in the description box below and also in the card for you guys. Before we open this box, I purchased a Kate Spade wallet. I hope it's as beautiful as it was in the picture. We will soon find out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of unboxing videos. Also, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload. Let's see what I got in this box here. So this is what I got. So I can already see that there's like a box in here. This item is supposed to be pre-used. Is this like a new item? This item is in its box. Okay, wait a minute. This item is new in its box. I got this from the Real, not from the Kate Spade store. I fell in love with it because of like this really beautiful rose design and everything. And it's like a deep purple plum color. And it is unlike anything I have ever had. And I love Kate Spade. So this is new. This is the new packaging. It did not say new. It said excellent condition, no sign of wear. And I took a snapshot of it. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is beyond what I had expected. I expected it to be a used item. This is a new item. And it is absolutely stunning. It actually goes with my top today. I didn't even like think about it, but if I would have thought about it, I would have wore this shirt anyways. This is gorgeous. I am so thrilled. So thrilled. It does have a real tag on it, so whoever bought this probably just took off the actual tag, or it didn't have a tag, it just came in the box. I am super stoked. I love this item so much. I love this item as much as my beautiful purse, if not more. I was going to get another Rebecca Minkoff item, but I was like, you guys are going to think that's all they sell. They have like so many items on there, and I for some reason fell in love with this, even though this isn't my exact style. I've been like loving pre-loved items because at the end of the day, like they're going to get thrown out if they're not sold, or if nobody wants them, like where are they going to go? They're not going to sit in your closet forever. So I personally have been like kind of thinking like, well, if I can buy it at a substantially discounted rate and I'm helping to save the planet and I'm helping that person be able to like use that money to something else, it's kind of like a win-win-win. So I'm not just saying only get from the Real. Like there's other places, but I've been like dabbling into the field of like Poshmark and all this. I'm thinking of doing a like Poshmark video, my experience and how that's been going for me, because I've been selling and buying and just I've been like loving pre-loved items. This new in the box Kate Spade wallet, $42. Go me, like really. If you are interested in checking out the Real, go ahead and go in the description box below. I'll leave a link to their website. Click on the link and give them your email address. When you do that, they're going to give you a $25 coupon for their store. See if you like it, see if there's anything on there that you want to take home. Also, if there's any other coupons, I will go ahead and link those in the description box below. So thank you so much for unboxing that with me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that for me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget, click on that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!